I'm a Cameroonian married to a Nigerian from Akwa Ibom. So we live in Abuja here. So they called me from Cameroon and they told me that my sister, that she's going mental, that she was having mental issues, serious one. So she just graduated from the university and that was happening to her, and they have tried to make sure that she's okay and there was no way. So I now asked them that they should bring her to Nigeria. So they brought my sister to Nigeria. I look at my sister. I could not imagine that. See what my sister has turned into. So we prayed for her and I went to the charismatic in Lugbe. So someone, a sister, who is also a member of Divine Fire, advised me that I should bring her to Divine Fire Ministry. I think that was how I get to know about Divine Fire Ministry. I brought my sister. We did Alone with God. I also did Alone with God. A lot of prophecy came out, about me, about my sister, why she was sick and all that. So that was how Brother Mike and the intercessors, they prayed for her. We did Alone with God, a lot of prophecy. I now took my sister to Cameroon. It became worse again, So she was in the village. It now got to the point, they called me one day, they said my sister was even staying in an uncompleted building. I cried. They took her to one psychiatric hospital in Cameroon. Still, the thing was still there, disturbing her. So I now called Brother Mike. Brother Mike now told me that, he said, I wish I could go to Cameroon to go and do a family deliverance for her family, because there is something that is connected to why it's making her, she's still behaving like that, even after all the medication. So Brother Mike now said, okay, if there is a way that you people can carry the soil from your father's house in the village, and take it to that place, because somebody too was praying for her there in Cameroon. Even when she was receiving her medication, there was also prayer going on. That if somebody that can pray very well too can be using that soil for my grandfather's house in the village. So when they now started doing that, they saw a lot of changes. When Brother Mike said they should pack the sand from the house in the village and be praying, so they now took it to where she was. So like she started getting better. One day, she now got well suddenly. I was surprised, and she looked at herself. She now said, why am I looking like this? What happened to me? That was how she got well. And one day when she was cleaning the church, somebody came and told her that, young lady, I've been seeing you every time here, that you have been working in the church, doing work around the church. He said, do you have any certificate? She now said yes, that she was a degree holder in economics. So that was how the man now told him that, bring your CV, that I'm going to help you. So from there now, the man now got her a job. So in that company that she was working, by the side of the company, there's another neighboring company. So one day, that's how she met her husband. So before you know, so today is her court marriage and a traditional marriage. So you can see how God, in short, the transformation, even after that her sickness, she became more beautiful. Not even a young girl. Pascaline is not a young girl, but if you look at her, you would think that is somebody of 30. So who said a way to come to pass when God has not said it? And I thank God for Divine Fire, because every time when I call Brother Mike, he will say, do like this. So I thank God today. I say this testimony, I cannot keep it to myself. I have to share it so that Divine Fire should know about it. Thank you.